Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most legendary G-Shocks out there, the GW-5000U-1ER. If you're a fan of classic, tough, and premium timepieces, this one's for you. Check it out. Brief history design. The GW-5000U is a modern upgrade to the original 1983 G-Shock DW-5000C, the watch that started it all. This is a Japan-made premium version of the classic G-Shock square design, featuring a solid stainless steel inner case with a screw-down case back, making it more robust than standard resin case models. Solar Power Multiband 6. This means you'll never have to worry about changing the battery. It's powered by sunlight or even indoor light. Plus, with multiband 6 atomic timekeeping, the watch syncs with radio signals from around the world to keep the most accurate time possible. Durability, comfort. Like all G-Shocks, the GW-5000U is built to last. It has shock resistance and 200mm water resistance, so it can handle just about anything, from daily wear to extreme sports. The soft, comfortable resin strap is another plus. Compared to standard models, it feels much smoother on the wrist. Features, functions. Now, let's run through some of its key functions. World Time Mode, tracks time in 48 cities. Stopwatch, measures up to 24 hours. Countdown timer, up to 24 hours, 5 daily alarms, with snooze function.
So, is the GW-5000U worth it? If you're looking for the ultimate G-Shock square with premium build quality, solar power, and atomic timekeeping,
this is one of the best options out there. It's a low-key grail watch for G-Shock collectors and a fantastic daily wear timepiece. What do you think? Do you own a GW-5000U or are you thinking of getting one? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more watch content. See you in the next one. Peace.